Okay, so let's see how to draw the bonding structure of hydrocarbons. Okay, so hydrocarbons are compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so we need to know only three now. There are different types. Okay, I'm going to teach you one containing carbon-carbon single bond, one containing carbon-carbon double bond, and the third one containing carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, we know that carbon has a valency 4, right? Because it is in 14th group. But it can form single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Okay, if they are having single bond, you don't need to know the name, but I'm just writing. They are called alkane. Then if they are having double bond, they are called alkene, and triple bond, they are called alkynes. Okay, so this is how we write the formula. If n equal to n is the number of carbon atoms, so there is n number of carbon, then hydrogen will be 2 times of that plus 2. If it is alkene, that is 2 times of hydrogen. If it is alkyne, that is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. I'm just talking about it. So if it is first one, if it is an alkane, if n equal to 1, right, just plug the value, that is C1. You don't need to write 1 if it is 1. Then 2n plus 2, 2 times 1 plus 2, that is CH4, right? Then if n equal to 2, that is C2, then H2 times 2, 4 plus 2, it is 6. So that's how we are writing the formula for alkanes. Okay, so if it is ene, we know that it need 2 double bond. There is no alkene with 1 carbon. It's starting from 2, okay, because it need 2 carbon to form a double bond. So C2, then H will be C2H4. This will be C3H6. This will be C4H8. Next one will be C5H10, right? Then triple bond also, we don't have anything with 1 carbon atom. The first one is C2H2 times 2 is 4 minus 2, that is what? C2H2. Next one C3H4. Next one C3H6. Sorry, C4H6. Next one C5H8. Okay, now let's see the name. Okay. So if the carbon atom is 1, if n equal to 1, we will give the prefix, where should I write? Okay, we will give the prefix meth. Let me erase this. Okay, so 1 is meth, and if there is ane, so that will be methane. So second one, if it is 2, that is eth, so ethane. Then propane, you have seen all this, okay? Then butane, pentane. You need to know at least this much. Then if it is 2, again it is eth. Then you have to add ene because it is double bond. Ethene, propene, butene, pentene. Okay, and here it will be yne, it will be ethyne, propyne, butane, pentine. Okay, I'm saying again, you don't need to worry about the name and formula. We will give that. You need to know only how to draw the structure. Okay, say for example, I'm going to tell you, okay, draw the formula for ethane. Okay, so I'll give the formula for you. Don't need to worry about. Formula is C2H6. Okay, so you look at the carbon. How many carbons are there? 2 carbon, draw them in a single bond. And how many hydrogen? There's 6 hydrogen. So we need, all carbon need 4 bonds. So I'm going to draw 4 bonds like this. And each bond is connected to hydrogen. So I have 6 hydrogen and 2 carbon. So that structure is correct. So next I'm going to write the formula for ethene, which is C2H4. Again, there are 2 carbon. I'm drawing 2 carbon, C, single bond C. Okay. Then I know there is only 4 hydrogen. So I'm going to draw 2 lines here. That is H, 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 H here. But this structure is not correct because carbon need 4 valency. That means 4 bonds needs to be connected. Since it is missing and we don't have more hydrogen, so that is the time you are adding a double bond there. Okay, so next one I'm going to draw the structure for ethyne. Okay, ethyne formula is C2H2. Again, you don't need to worry about the formula. I'll give the formula. So there are 2 carbon, draw 2 carbon. Then seeing there are only 2 hydrogen you are seeing. So I'll give 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here. Okay, so but carbon need 2 more valency. We don't have hydrogen. So I'm going to draw triple bond. So this is easy because there was only 2 carbon. Okay, let's try the next one. I'm going to draw propane. Propane is C3, then 2 times, which is 8. Okay, 2 times plus 2. Okay, so there are 3 carbon. Again, use the same strategy. 3 carbon means you are drawing 3. And there are 8 hydrogen. So I'm going to give 4 bonds for each. And I have enough hydrogen. So I'm going to draw hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is right because I had a lot of hydrogen. Okay, let's try the next one. It is propene. Okay, so whenever you see ENE, that you have to automatically understand there is a double bond. So it is C3H6. Okay, 3 carbon. I'm going to draw 3. You can do this way also. Since it is ENE, you can draw the double bond first, then fill the hydrogen. That's up to you. I'll do both. Okay, whichever one is easy. Okay, now this carbon already 2, then 2 more. This one 3, there is 1 more. This one 1, there is 3 more. Fill that with hydrogen. Some people will find this is easy, or some people will like the other method. Try both. Okay, so that is a double bond. All atoms, count the atoms and check whether it is correct or not. Okay, now let's do propyne now. So INE means there is triple bond. The formula is C3H4. So 3 carbon, right? 3 carbon and it's triple bond. I'm going to draw triple bond first and see how that will be easy for you. So there is 3 valency already completed. So 1 line needed. This one already all 4 is completed. No hydrogen needed. So this one need 3 hydrogen. So we had 4 hydrogen. So all 4s are there. Good. Okay, next try butane. Okay. Butane is C4H 2 8 plus 2. It's a 10. Okay. So draw 4 carbon in a single bond because it is alkane. Then draw hydrogen atoms here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is right. Okay, now I'm going to do butene. ENE means double bond. Remember that. That will help you a lot. H8. So 4 carbon. So draw 4 carbon. And I will always draw the double bond at the first carbon. There is a reason for that, otherwise the name will be different. Okay, so you don't need to worry about, since you are a beginner. So I'll draw like this. It is only 2, so 2 more here, 2, just 1 there, because already 3 completed, right? Okay, so that is 1 hydrogen, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then butane is C4H6. Okay, that is 4 carbon again, and it is iron, so I'm going to draw a triple bond. Then hydrogen, already 4 completed, 2 more, then 3 more. Okay, this is how you are drawing the bonds. Then decide the bond energy. Say for example, if you are calculating the bond energy for this, how many CH bonds are there? So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CH bonds. Okay, how many C triple bond? There is 1 C triple bond C, then 1, 2, 2 single bond C. That's how you will add all of them to see the bond energy. Okay, and review that multiple times.